What is that? Oh, you look so pretty. Oh my God. You look so pretty. Were you trying to feed yourself? What happened? What happened? You look pretty. Look at your hair. Did you decide to just bathe in your yogurt? You didn't want to eat your yogurt? Mama's gonna have to take you a bath. How did it get in your hair?
See? It's a ball. It's a factory.
Yeah. We'll play with the ball after you get out of the bathtub, okay? What are you doing? Are you... Oh my God.
Is there?
You want to get out? Are you done with your yogurt? Yum? Can you say yum yum? How about we go take a bath? You want to go take a bath? Eden? Yum. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, my God. She dumped the whole yogurt out. Okay, I think we need to end this video. Oh, no.